Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to turn on iPhone photos into PDF. Here are some steps to turn iPhone photos into PDF. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Select the photos you want to convert into a PDF. Tap the share icon, a square with an upward arrow. Scroll down and tap Print from the Share sheet. On the Printer options screen, use two fingers to pinch outward on the photo preview. This will open the photos in a full screen PDF preview. Tap the Share icon again in the top right corner. Choose Save the Files to store the PDF on your device or iCloud Drive. Name the file and choose the location, then tap Save. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.